In the field of user experience, we run many types of user research. Many of our methodologies for user testing are predicated on small sample size, qualitative studies conducted on an iterative basis. In the course of my teaching and interactions with clients, I'm often asked, when is it appropriate to run a benchmark study? So first, let's define what a benchmark study is. Simply stated, a benchmark study is a deep assessment of our website or application with the goal of measuring key performance indicators as a basis for future improvement. We do this in order to establish a baseline set of measures in order to determine how well our product is performing. Benchmark studies typically have larger sample sizes as compared to basic qualitative or formative usability studies, often requiring us to recruit 20 participants or sometimes much more to get the data we need. So why run these studies? First, to assess the current system's performance from a UX standpoint in order to determine if it is meeting product needs and goals. Second, to set a baseline against which future redesigns will be judged. So if, for example, you're trying to reduce the amount of errors in a process or time on task, you would first perform a benchmark study using the existing product, measure it, and then make changes which you would also measure and compare back to the current design. You can use a benchmark study for future product improvements as well. Run a benchmark study as preparation for an entire product overhaul, so you can help the business prioritize which areas of the product are most troublesome and need to be redesigned. A benchmark study is also useful when you have tested many little pieces of the product throughout the design process, but have not tested the entire product to see how well the little pieces fit together with one another. Finally, you can use it to demonstrate return on investment and to provide visibility to the UX work done on the project. I often engage in this type of benchmarking in conjunction with partner groups to provide a case for earlier UX inclusion in the product creation process. We can run benchmark studies as standalone product analyses, or we can engage in a competitive analysis to compare our products to our competitors in order to determine how well we stack up against them. While benchmarking studies do require more time and effort to run, the data derived from them is often very impactful to our work, and the data is reusable for many different types of analyses.